Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to my YouTube channel The Exposing Tech. So students, today in this video we will going to discuss the summary of the unit number 5, the Madina Charter. So let's start the summary. When the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated to Medina, the city was inhabited by different people belonging to different sections and religions. There were faithful followers of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the new convert, Ansars, Jews, Christian, and ideal worshippers. To create harmony among them, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam first of all abolished the tribal distinctions. He made all of them united because he knew that goodwill and support of all sections was necessary for peaceful coexistence. The Prophet ﷺ formulated a charter called Madina Charter, through which all the communities were made a common nationality. They were asked to defend each other. The Muslim as well as the non-Muslim were given religious freedom. Bloodshed, murder, and violence were unlawful. In 1948, United Nations adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In this declaration, many clauses were taken and included from the Madina Charter. It shows that Islam is the greatest protector of human rights because Islam considers all men free and equal. Islam gives the right of safety to Muslim as well as non-Muslim. Islam believes in the rule of law. So ये था आज का हमारा वीडियो. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.